Welcome to the Nation videocast. This is the 23rd of March 2008 and this is Vijay Varghese reading the news for you. His Majesty the King is concerned about thick smog caused by forest fires in the north and has been monitoring the environmental condition in Chiang Mai on a daily basis. Amnat Decha, ground speaker for Phu Hing Palace, said this on Tuesday. His Majesty might dispatch a team for cloud seeding to induce artificial rain to clear up the smog, he added. In other news, PM's Office Minister Chakraphop Penkhair on Tuesday ordered a probe into why state-controlled MCOT was in the red for the first time in 7 years, seen as a prelude to the revamp of the executive board for Channel 9. As the government is the largest shareholder, I, in my capacity as the overseer of MCOT, want to know about the reasons behind the loss, he added. He said MCOT had a net loss of 27 million baht in January, excluding revenues from concession fees collected from Channel 3 and cable operator True Visions. He confirmed that he would fill 9 of the 13 seats on the MCOT board next month, although he refused to comment whether the revamped board would lead to the removal of MCOT President Wasan Phailikli. He hinted that the new board might include anti-coup activists such as Weng Tochirakan and Charan Thitapichai. Next up, Judge Rungroj Ringrongwong would preside over the graft trial of the lottery case involving 47 defendants, including former Prime Minister Thaksin Shinawatra, court spokesman Rakriyat Watanapong said on Tuesday. Chosen by his peers of the 9-judge bench, Rungroj is to supervise the trial proceedings at the Supreme Court's Criminal Tribunal for Political Office Holders, a fast-track review on graft cases. The Assets Examination Committee has accused Thaksin of abuse of power relating to the introduction of 2- and 3-digit lotteries in 2003. With Rungroj as presiding judge, the High Court has scheduled on May 14 to rule whether the case merits the judicial review. Next up, the Constitutional Court Selection Committee on Monday nominated 4 candidates for the bench and would forward the nominations for the vetting by the Senate. The 4 comprise 2 experts in law and 2 from the field of political science and public administration. Justice Department Secretary Jaran Pakditakul and Appeal Court Senior Judge Wasan Soipisut are nominated under the law category. And 2 retired diplomats, Supoj Khaimuk and Chalampol Ek Uru, are picked under the political science quota. The 4 candidates, if appointed, will sit on the bench with 5 judges as ex-officio members. Thank you for listening to the Nation videocast. This is Vijay Varghese.